Welcome to Monster Truck Classics unboxing of the Traxxas TRX4M High Trail Edition F-150 Ranger XLT 1/18 scale and trail crawler. Let's real quickly go around the box. See this here? On this side we get the black version and then the blue version. Battery and USB charger included. On this side of the box has the brown version of it. And let's go up here. So, officially licensed by Ford. And so you get the black, brown, or blue version you can get. Here's another side of the box. Factory installed LED lights. 2S LiPo battery and USB charger, clipless body mounting system, chrome roll bar with light buckets, and then factory installed long arm lift kit, over 35% additional ground clearance, and new large Mickey Thompson Baja Pro XS replica tires, and oil-filled GMP shocks we get. A Titan 180 78-ton motor, 45-degree steering angle, extended steel frame rails, ECM 2.5 electronic control module we get there, extended trailer and hitch included, and then the heavy-duty micro steering servo. This is the bottom of the box. So let me go ahead and unbox this. Inside here is the instruction manual, and then this manual pretty much breaks down what is all involved in the truck and how it's assembled and everything like that. And then there's the trailer hitch. We get some tools, some extra spacers, and it looks like a screw right there also. Up top here we got the transmitter. So it's the TQ top qualifier. Here in the left-hand corner, then you see a battery is right here. And then they give you this USB charging cable, which I'm not going to use. All right, on to the truck. Let's get this truck out. All right, let's take the plastic wrap off. Let me go ahead and turn it around so you can see the different sides of it. Let's go ahead and pop the body off. Looks like the tabs are here. The other one in the front here. Here is an inside look now, and the metal frame right there. This is where the battery is going to go. There is the little motor, and then in the front there for your steering, the steering servo right there. Back here is the ESC. I'm going to show you some accessories that I got, and the first one is this. Is the 9X62X, the roll bar LED lights. So I'm gonna be able to have lights on the roll bar. And then I got this one, the 9884, the Pro Scale light kit. And this has compatible with TRX4M Ford F-150. Front and rear LED lights, walking brakes, reverse and hazard lights, powered by ECM 2.5, and here headlights, running lights, tail lights, reverse lights, hazard lights. That's going to be really cool to see all of that performing. You might know that Traxxas has the TRX4M MT, which is a monster truck a small monster truck that you can get. It has stickers for the Bigfoot for the original monster truck. So this is the sticker set that you can get for that vehicle. But I'm going to put these on this small scale truck. It's going to have the smaller wheels, of course, but it's going to look like Bigfoot. So I thought I would do that. I thought that would look pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here's what it looks like with the headlights on. So let's go ahead and see this run for a little bit. Thank you, fans, for tuning in to this unboxing and short run video of the TRX4M High Trail Edition Ford F-150 Ranger XLT by Traxxas.